Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. So this is an 8 by 10 inch canvas. This is Water Lily. Which is a Prizm pour. This is some Perfect Indigo. Perfect Violet? Let me check. Perfect Indigo. Some Decor Americana 24 karat gold. I got a little whip spring wisteria. Little ginger flower. The colors will be listed under the video. Maybe a tad of Dancing Fuchsia, which I need to add some more medium to because it's so strong, it stains everything. I'm going to go for some Orange Crush. And that's where I'm going to start. I think I'm going to use a rubber brush. I might use the largest one. I've been resistant to the largest one. Never done exactly this before. That's cool. It's a place to start at least. Trying to cover the canvas. Glad I didn't add the yellow orange I was thinking about to begin with, because it would definitely be muddy now. I've got some pink carnation I didn't use that I think I might want still. If I can get it to come down. Where else? And my little brush is what I'm going to use next. But I'm going to add some black. Let's see what happens. Because the experimenting stage is the fun stage. I love using fluid art just because it's mixed with pouring medium. It's so different than everything else. I'm contemplating some Anita's White Metallic. I don't want a lot. I guess I get what I get. Maybe I'll leave some dots. love these little rubber brushes. They make great marks. I would think they'd make terrific Christmas presents too. I want to clean that, or at least put it in the bucket. So I think I'm going to do the same thing with some gold, and then I might call it good. Quickie. Where do I need to paint on my edge the most? I could still take my texture tool and do something with that, but I actually like what I've got a lot. It's got to be a companion piece to the Christmas present I gave to one of my best friends last year. Alright, I've got this idea in my head. It's either blue flame I suppose I could do more perfect indigo. It's coming out. It came out a lot. Going too far, I think. I really like what I've got. I'm going to use a little more ginger flower. And then I'll see how I feel about it when it's dry. If I want to add anything to it, I will. Chances are good I won't need to. I don't feel like I need to. Just using the tip of the brush to add a few little textural elements. Not too many. I really like the orange in there. I'm kind of thinking maybe I want a little bit more. I do mean a little bit. That's that, I think. I'll be blacking my edges, so I won't need to worry about what's going over. And that was a lot of fun. I recommend it. Very cool. I'll be doing that again. I never mind letting a little bit of canvas show through, since it's already primed 3 times before it gets to me. Oh, that's gorgeous. Ha! Maybe I'll do another one. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions. It will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.